Okay.
Boy, you need to go. Not right now.
Okay, so right now, bitch, I'm headed. Where are we going? Where are we going?
To Ernie's.
We're going to Ernie's right now, bitch. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. DQ, where the fuck are you right now, bitch? So when you do see this, bitch, you're a buddy, bitch, you're lame, man, bitch. That's just
Charlie.
But right now, I want y'all to remember this video, cause bitch, I'ma re-record this when I'm in a Mercedes-Benz truck, bitch, and I'm pulling up to a Malibu mansion. And that's all I'm gonna say, and I'm gonna keep it down.
You remind me of Anthony Hamilton. He got no chaser. Okay, not this shit.
Oh, now what did y'all say?
Look good,
What is this
dick.
pee?
Bitch, I cannot.
Bitch, not the pee in the video.
Remy and Sprite. Remy and Sprite.
It's something over the weekend.
Hey, it's so fucking cute.
And what fucking
Show your
ass
fucking
cute?
nails.
Tell her.
Show your nails, B. Yeah. Yeah.
Red Riding Hood, I need you to get out of there because you act like you need to go home. Like you a teenager. Shake back.
Red Riding Hood.
Love you. Love you.
Yeah.
Oh, so hold up, y'all.
Ernest.
The bitch, let's put this on camera. The bitch that I supposed to have a fight with that lied and said that you dated R.I.P. Calvin Mills, bitch, that was my nigga. His brother right out there. You lied on his dick. Now you run up to the car. Hold up, sis. Oh, you ready for this? She gonna tell D I can do your. She gonna tell D I can do your hair. And your hair.
She told you.
Girl, what would she look like?
Not, honey.
Girl, her hair. She needs to come see D. Do you hear me? You want to run up because you see money. You want to run up because you see money. Hold, get the fuck up out my face.
Man, hold that ass. I can't
what's
see back
up?
there. Me.
Okay, no, I'm just fucking. Hey, y'all. What's that?
Your ass bitch wanna fight me so bad. Tell that bitch I whoop her motherfucking ass. Whoop her motherfucking head up in the motherfucking
Rest of her ass like a
shit,
big man truck. I'm none of Krishan, honey.
The bottle, bitch. The fucking bottle, bitch.
She still put the bottle on
shit,
me.
bitch.
What the fuck is wrong?
They got some on side chicks. They ain't touch shit until they hit that note, the 318. We are the Ratchet what? We the Ratchet City?
Check this out.
Ratchet City?
We've been doing this shit ever since Moby Dick was a mental, baby. Check this out.
What?
You go, baby.
That's 318 right here. Film this. We 318. That's what we are.
Yeah.
Ratchet City.
218 real steppers.
What?
Man, Ruger Man 2 to throw the best part of
Exactly.
this
Zeus
bitch, man.
Network ain't ready for us because we cut up in the motherfucking South, nigga. Y'all, they might hit. Natalie Nunn might hit New Orleans, but you ain't hit nothing, nigga. We from the motherfucking South, and watch how we act. Come on, sister.
Motherfucker be from the mountain.
Hey, 40 what? 40 who? They talking
40
about
what?
side chicks.
40
Man,
what?
watch how we make them ratings go crazy on everything that I love. If we don't make the ratings go, we're gonna pay them their money. But
Yeah.
get what? Them ratings gonna go so dumb.
Yeah.
But they love us in the South.
They love us.
Sister, tell them what you about.
Give us some.
Huh? We got all types of motherfuckers in this bitch.
Oh my God, sister, what's sister?
My sister just bounced
Sister
to the
trying to get
ass.
something for Christmas?
Look, wait a minute.
Goddamn, sis, you gotta get something
She
for
gonna make me
Christmas.
throw that
Halloween.
leg up.
What
you gonna do? Throw that leg up. Hey. Say, throw that leg up. Wait.
Where you at?
No, it's so better. Come
Where
on.
you at?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Yeah.
40 well.
40 well. 40 well. 40 well.
Yeah. Man, get
Bop,
up in there.
bop, 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 bop.
I'm coming. Hey, we bet they wrong. Hey, in the side. In the side. What we twerk with. What we twerk with.
Hey, my dog. Bet you won't.
I hope your kids get a stepdaddy and he beat on their ass. I hope you fall some stairs and fuck your knee up. I hope you get in the fight at Walmart and get beat up. I hope the one
Send your radar. Hey, looking like a
I hope her kid take you on the dick and get you beat up.
Bitch, I might just post a couple pictures of you naked.
Okay, so I'm in Dallas right now with my bestie.
Every time y'all see me, I'm putting something on my face.
This bitch is stuffing his face with a motherfucking chicken sandwich right now. And yeah, period.
But I'm finna stop eating.
Why?
I probably get full.
Bitch, we is in Dallas, bitch. If I disappear from the hotel room tonight, don't tell nobody. What happened in Dallas? What?
So you better hope I don't have fucking about in that bathroom.
Bitch. Bitch, there's 4 of us in here, bitch.
Bitch, oh, well, so he is.